Hello, lovelies. Recently, while gathering supplies for my garden and being at different hardware stores, I found that one of them had these awesome little kits. They're indoor organic mushroom growing kits, and this one is oyster mushrooms. It's made by the company Back to the Roots, and I'm so excited to try this. It says right here on the box to please share a picture and the information with Back to the Roots via your social media. So I thought I'm gonna share this with you too. I'm so excited to grow these mushrooms with you guys. So come along and let's see how this works. It has been 1 week since I started my mushroom growing kit indoors, and I cannot believe the results. I am so excited. Look at these mushrooms. These are pearl oyster mushrooms. They grew in just 7 days like this. Like I just said, I am totally fascinated and amazed by this, and I have already ordered more mushroom spores, more mycelium to start spreading throughout my yard because I can't wait to grow more mushrooms.